Hey everyone, so it's about time for me to refill my Meliora unscented all-purpose home cleaner. I got this from Mighty Nest and it's my favorite. I love it and I love how I can refill it rather than continuously having to buy plastic bottles filled with toxic cleansers. This is just vegetable soap, which is sodium, cocoate, glycerin, coconut oil, and water. And that's it. So it comes in this canister. Well, when you buy it originally, you just get this bottle. And it comes with the solution inside without any of the liquid. You just add your own warm water and then shake it up and wait till it kind of dissolves and then you're ready to use it. So since this is almost empty, I was going to show you how to do it. It's really, really simple, and I like how the refill, it has 18, it can refill 18 bottles. All you have to do is just add water. So you just need 1 tablespoon, let's see, yep, 1 tablespoon of the refill and some water. This is 16 ounces because this is a 16 ounce bottle. So let's do that. So what you're gonna need is your bottle, obviously, your refill solution, a tablespoon, I use a funnel to put it in, and water. This is warm water, so unscrew this, open this up. Put that on top. You're probably gonna have to like jiggle it to get it in. The dust can be a little irritating. There's just like slight dust, but it's not like harmful. Right. Then 16 ounces of warm to hot water. I'm probably not going to need too much because it wasn't completely empty. So I'm just gonna fill it till right about there. Whoopsies. Foam's coming out. And then you just pop this guy in, close it up, then shake it all around, and you'll start noticing that the little stuff underneath will start to dissolve. And then once you're done, just wipe away. And voila! And yeah, that's it. It's super easy. Sometimes when it's really cold, sometimes it can kind of like get a little thick and more viscousy, I guess. Is that a word? Viscousy? I don't know. More viscous. But you just gotta shake it up and you're fine. If you want to get your own, you can go to Meliora.com or you can go on Amazon. I posted my Amazon link below if you wanted to try it out from there. And then if you wanted they do sell the refill and they also sell other stuff too as refills. But I like this because it's like a less plastic waste. Because when you're done with your bottles of cleanser, you just toss it away and that's just a waste. But I like how this, you can reuse the bottle over and over and over and over again. So yay, saving the environment. And it smells great. Actually, it doesn't smell like anything. I mean, I guess you could put like essential oils if you want to make it smell better. That's a good idea. But yeah, that's it. If you have any questions or comments, you can ask below and I'll answer them as best I can. All right, thanks. Bye.